Okay, so we have a little bit of an unboxing, but I kind of already opened it and I recorded a video about it, and then I realized that so many things went wrong in that video that I was gonna have to record it a second time. So as you can see, my office is in disarray. I'm in the middle of cleaning it right now, but this package arrived while I'm in the middle of cleaning, and these are all like bags of projects that I've hung on the mantle. That's where I usually hang Christmas stockings and garland and stuff, but I hung all these bags of projects on the mantle because I'm in the middle of kind of organizing my current projects and figuring out where I'm gonna go. I have the house to myself today, and I'm just gonna spend it cleaning all afternoon. But I just got this amazing package from Wool of Bat. Sorry, my spouse, because they're out of the house, I have my ringtone on, which I never do, so I'm gonna apologize now for how many messages I'm about to get. So I got this package of yarn from Wool of Bat. I'm really excited. I had placed an order for just 2 skeins with, you know, my crafting fund of the month, because I really wanted to make this pair of socks that I'm gonna make with these 2. So these are the first ones I want to show you. So there's her awesome logo there. And I'm going to show you the other thing she sent me in a minute, but her logo is so flippin' adorable. I can't stand it. So this is Wool of Bat is out of Omaha, Nebraska. They're kettle dyed, hand dyed yarns, it says on the website. These skeins here are fingering weight, superwash merino wool, and nylon. So perfect sock yarn because it's got that nylon to make it a little extra, a little tougher and a little stretchier. And these are, the dark one here is called Room for One More. The color is just coming up perfect on there because I have all natural lighting in this room right now because it's the middle of the day, which is awesome. And then this one is Grim Grinning Ghosts, which I love that name. I love all of her names. So along with those, my lovely friend Wool of Bat also sent me the Poison Garden Collection mini skein set. Hold up. I don't want to take them out of the package because I'm pretty sure that the names listed on here are in order, and I don't want to forget which is which. So you have to look at it through the plastic. Sorry about that. But like that one is called, I'm pretty sure, Poinsettia. I didn't compare them to the website, but I'm pretty sure that these are in order. And I don't see how they couldn't be because this purple right here would be Belladonna. And does that not just scream Belladonna? Like that has to be Belladonna. So the colors are... Wait, I'll do them backwards here so you can see. So starting here, the colors are Wormwood, Poison Ivy, Poinsettia, Monkshood, Mandrake, Hemlock, Black Hellebore, Bittersweet, Belladonna, and Angel's Trumpet. And how freaking cute are those? So I assume, because these say fingering weight mini skeins, I'll look on the website to be sure, but I assume that these are also merino with nylon. But it doesn't say on that label there, but I assume they are. But let me show you the other things that she sent me because she's so sweet. These are so awesome. So she sent me this keychain of her logo, which I love. That's gonna go on my knitting bag. So I have like, I don't know if it's yeah, this bag here, that's my Wool in the Gang bag, which has some buttons on it. And I also have my yarn bag over here that I've showed before that my friend Cassie got for me from 31. This will go on my 31 bag. And then this will go on my Wool in the Gang bag. This is the, it's not going to come in good because it's too small. Not going to come in good, but I'll try to get a picture of it. But it says Wool of Bat Yarn Company. And there's a sticker. I actually need a new knitting journal because the one I'm in right now is almost full. So I will save this for my brand new knitting journal when I start my new one. And then also on her website, on Wool of Bat website, they also have amazing stitch markers. And she and I were talking about how I particularly liked this set. And then, so she sent it to me, which is so sweet. But look at the little broom. I freaking love the little broom, but look how cute they all are. So there's a little broom and a little witch. The cauldron is so perfect. The witch hat, and then this little wand. I love them so much. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. So I'm halfway through cleaning my house right now, like I said. I just mopped that half of the house and I'm waiting for the floor to dry. And I went to check the mail and I saw that this package had arrived. And I'm so excited about it. So I have to like rush through the rest of my cleaning so that I can sit down and ball these up because I'm going to start these socks tonight. And I'm really excited. In other news, just real quick before we go, this shawl right here on Bartholomew back here. So this is Bartholomew, is my dress dummy. that's kind of hiding behind Jane Ferda because, like I said, I'm in the middle of cleaning, everything's mixed up. That's Jane Ferda, that's Barty. Barty is wearing the shawl that I will be releasing the pattern very soon that I did with all Woolly Witch of the West yarn. So that's what Barty's wearing there. That pattern should be up within the next 2 weeks is my goal. Now that the election is over, I have so much more free time that I'm actually able to accomplish these things. So that's Barty, that's what Barty's wearing. That'll be up soon, and then the next design I have out will be the one that I'm planning for these yarns right here that I'm so super excited about. Now I have to go get my cat out of the window because she's attempting to pull down the curtain. So that was like a super fast unboxing, and I don't do unboxings very often, but I really think you should check out willowbatyarn.com and all the amazing yarn that she's doing over there, and I'll have patterns out soon with this yarn because it's so gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. I'm gonna go take some photos of it for this. Okay, that's it. Go make something magical. Have a great day. Summer Sage. Hey. Excuse me, I'm talking to you.
She don't care.
Are you ignoring me?
She's ignoring me.